Happy Halloween! Coming live here at the Paul McGovern Jr. channel. Been a minute since I've done one of these. This is a homemade egg sandwich mukbang, and guys, I think it's almost been years since I've done one of these. But I figured 'tis the season. It's Halloween. Get my best costume out. Let people know I'm a part of the holiday. I'm down. I'm ready to celebrate. To be or not to be, this homemade egg sandwich is best to be eaten. That's what I said. That's what I'm talking about. Guys, well, yeah, happy Halloween. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I know, sometimes I do these mukbangs a couple years ago, and I would get like a big pizza from Domino's. I would get something wild or crazy or some spicy. But I just kept it basic. I'm going back to the roots. Been a minute since I posted on the channel in general. Wanted to see what you guys are up to. Hopefully you're curious what I've been up to. And I figured I'd do something a little home cooking, as I said. Did some Swiss cheese egg, kind of like over easy egg. Not too runny though. Not too runny. And some salsa. Put some flair in that, little medium spicy salsa. And I'm excited about that. I try to save on a budget sometimes. Try to save some money. Try to go to the store, get some eggs, cook myself breakfast every now and then. And I do that. And on the Halloween season, you got to, because you're gonna be maybe partying that night and you want to have a full stomach. But I've been well, guys. I just came back from Portland, Oregon, and we were in a beautiful town called Beaverton. I don't know if you're familiar with it, but they got some pretty cool stuff there. It was the changing of the leaves. We met some friends there. We went out for some drinks. We saw some beautiful trees. I think I might have said that already. And you know what we saw? We saw a troll. And I'm not joking. We saw a giant troll that's called Olaboli in Olaboli House. It's a new troll they just put up about 3 weeks ago. And I'll show a little picture of it here. It's pretty cool construction. Check it out. They're going to put them, their goal is to put one across whole United States, put one in each state. So I'm curious to see how that goes. It might be like a little fun thing to do with family or something. You go to each little troll, you take a picture with it. But there's only like 6 or 7 right now, so this is one of them. That was a great time. And honestly, just staying busy. Just staying busy with shooting with Michael. I've been editing that movie I've been talking about for like the last year. Been editing that. The one we went to Sweden. Working on the WeHo series with Zach Noe Towers and Darren Bluestone, which has been great. And we've actually dropped a few sketches of those. We dropped one sketch, but there's a few coming down the pipeline. So if you haven't seen those, check those out. And just trying to stay busy. Obviously, I have my day job where we do the audiences for TV shows. I've talked about that before. But we work shows like America's Got Talent, Dancing with the Stars. So today I'm actually working Dancing with the Stars, which is a fun show, but it's it's fun. I mean, it's very popular right now. It's popular again for because they have a lot of reality shows reality TV stars on there, which is great. I don't really watch much reality TV, but I guess if you're into Housewives, then you probably like the show because there's a lot of Housewives people on there. Let's dive in. Let's see what this egg sandwich is like, and let's see what this is all about. If you're curious, it's Trader Joe's salsa. Hey, I do the cage-free eggs, baby. Cage-free. I like my chickens to run around. I want them to be able to live a full life, as full as they can. Cage-free, range-free. These guys are living a full life, and we're barely eating them. It's at the end of their life that we eat them. I think, hope. And then I got some wheat bread on there. I usually go for the the more affordable bread, but sometimes I go with that Mike's hard bread that they have there. It's like that I could do with the rocker guitar. It's like really expensive bread, but it tastes pretty good. If you're curious, dressed up as Cal Naughton from Talladega Nights with Ricky Bobby. Not first or last. I figured I had to do this in costume. Actually, wasn't going to do that at first. But then I thought about it. I said, got the costume, shooting the video, eating the sandwich. Why not? Why not, you know? What are you guys dressing up for Halloween? Do you even care about Halloween? The big part of me, for a long time, I really didn't care about Halloween. I was like, whatever. I mean, in college it was fun because you party and you do stuff. After that, I kind of was like, all right, I get invited to some parties, and then I was like, we don't even have kids that trick or treat around here because we're in apartments. So, it's all kind of, you know, subjective to that extent. Let me get a drink. I'll be back in a second. Get myself a San Pellegrino. A little blood orange, baby. Kind of matches my Talladega Nights outfit. It's pretty good. Now, growing up, I always dressed up as like a Ninja Turtle. Funny thing is, my nephew right now is dressed up as a Ninja Turtle. I'm like, that stuff doesn't age out, huh? Those characters last. They're there for a reason. They last for a long time. Like the Alvin and the Chipmunks. I feel like Alvin and the Chipmunks was popular when I was a kid. It was popular when my parents were kids. Some of these characters, they just never go away. And for a good thing. I mean, it's kind of like a nice to see familiar face in your cartoons over the years. I'm getting a little messy, guys, but this egg sandwich is pretty good, and I gotta get to work in a bit. I would like to wear this costume at work, but I don't know. I don't know if it'd be too good there. You guys going to any Halloween parties tonight? Unfortunately, Halloween ends. I mean, I feel like Halloween is really this weekend for most people. If you're gonna have a little shindig, it's gonna be this weekend. But I know like the West Hollywood Parade is tonight, which I've been to a couple times. Is really fun. A lot of people get. I mean, their costumes are just amazing. You know, it's a great spot to just walk around, maybe get a drink at a bar, hang out. So if you haven't done that, or you're not even in LA, come out to LA next Halloween, check it out. Or maybe, hey, come out tonight. Maybe you're able to get a flight. Come out there, walk around, and check out some costumes. It's always good. Yeah, I mean, but I'm excited for the next couple months to finish off the year. I know I'm always saying this. I'm gonna do editing thing. I'm gonna do this. I've just been so busy working on other people's projects and working the last like 2 to 3 months. I feel like every opportunity I get, it's always late nights. I never have like a clean opportunity to like work on my own stuff. But for better or for worse, the next couple months are slower because the holidays coming up. People are doing their thing, so I should have more time to post on my own channel, to post the editing classes I wanted to do, post a little more tutorials, post do more of these, just more like on-the-go stuff, maybe a little more sketches. On my Instagram, I've been reposting the Dumb Weirdo series. I don't know if you guys remember that from a couple years ago. Me and my roommate Matt Jones. So, you know, I'm posting here and there, and I'm excited to do those classes. I already wrote out the classes. I just gotta like shoot them and like demonstrate them. And it's frustrating because it's like I do a lot of editing already, but I need to do them like in a timely fashion. Like this video we posted the other day with Michael. We only shot a few days ago, but we had to turn it over, obviously, because we wanted to post it before Halloween. So, you know, we did it, edited it. It was always really fun editing with Michael. So, turned it over, shot it, turned it over, posted it. And obviously the Britney Spears stuff is really happening right now. So, as an aspect of Britney Spears. So, we had to get it posted. But those things like that, where it's like those 2 or 3 days, I'm like caught up in like working on a project. But, you know, it's all good. It pays the bills. I love it. Obviously, love working with Michael. And but now, coming up the next few weeks, in theory, I should have a lot of time to start posting on here. That's why I wanted to do this. I wanted to, you know, let everyone know, hey, I'm still here. I'm still posting. If you don't follow Michael's channels, obviously, to know that we're staying pretty active on there. Then I'm saying what's up over here. But let me know. Let me know if you guys are celebrating Halloween. Let me know what your costumes are. Let me know what your favorite costumes over the years have been for yourself. I'm excited to rock this all day as much as I can. Because, hey, baby, when it's the Halloween season, you got to get after it. And let those trick-or-treaters know you got the fun size, not the king size. Some people say king size don't matter, though. But, hey, it's all about what you do with it. The fun size is just as good. Yeah. Anyways, guys, you're unstoppable. As this Three Musketeer bar says, you're unstoppable. And it's going to be hard for me not to eat this whole bowl of candy tonight and watch some scary movies. So from me to you, happy Halloween. Thank you so much for watching. Obviously, if you just stumbled upon this channel, just subscribe, like, and comment. And hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day and wonderful week. And let me know what you're up to. And hopefully you've enjoyed my egg sandwich. I gotta go. And I'll finish this egg sandwich in a bit. But yeah, you make your own egg sandwich at home. I'm excited to see what you make. Later, guys.